Got a business that's ready to grow? The SAB Foundation's Tholoana Enterprise Programme can help. Let's fill out the application form together. Applications close on the 8th of September 2025, and all applications are submitted online through the Praxis portal. Step 1. If you're a new user, start by registering on Praxis. You'll get a username and password by email. Log in, click the green plus sign. Start, and remember to save your work often. The form times out after 40 minutes. Step 2. Complete your personal details. Complete your business details. If your business is not registered yet, select Not Applicable where needed. This section often causes confusion. For each shareholder, choose individual or organization. Enter their name, role, and demographics. Add the shareholding percentage. Make sure all shares add up to 100%, or the system won't let you continue. Add your key shareholders like board members or advisors. Save each entry before moving on. Enter your employees by job type, age, and demographics. Count how many are under or over 35. Note if any have disabilities. Allocate staff to the province where they mainly work. If a job type doesn't apply, enter 0. Describe your business. List your main products and services. Answer all questions and stand a chance to complete your application form. Enter your recent and projected financials. Use estimates if exact numbers aren't available. Keep your motivation under 250 words. Use bank statements or records to complete this section. Finally, upload your required documents. Optional uploads like bank statements or registration documents can strengthen your application. Click Choose File, then Upload. When everything is complete, click Check My Answers, then Submit. Remember, you can save and return later if needed. Good luck with your application to the SAB Foundation Tholoana Enterprise Programme.